The presidential elections had come and gone, but one thing is certain: the electoral process held on the 25th of February failed to meet the expectations of many Nigerians. The people of Nigeria demonstrated their dedication to democracy on the 25th of February, but there are many hungry and frustrated Nigerians, as well as many who are celebrating victories they believe were hard-fought and well-earned. However, it is important for the future of the country that Nigerians not let their differences divide them, and that the legal established process for resolving challenges to elections be allowed to take its course. In a constitutional democracy bound by the rule of law, the court is where electoral conflicts may appropriately be concluded. Mr. Peter Obi and Alhaji Atiku Abubakar during the week made their next step known to their followers. Therefore, in the coming days, we are sure to see a beehive of activities for legal practitioners. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Naija News series. Kindly subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, give us a thumbs up and leave your comments. 20 SAN line up for Peter Obi. APC may hire 12. The Labour Party said it had engaged the services of at least 20 senior advocates of Nigeria to challenge the outcome of the February 25th presidential election on behalf of its presidential candidate, Peter Obi. According to sources within the party, the lawyers drawn from different chambers were being furnished with materials that would be used as evidence in court. The president-elect and candidate of the All Progressive Congress, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, was announced the winner of the keenly contested election last Wednesday. But Atiku and Obi rejected the results announced by the Independent National Electoral Commission, with each claiming at separate press conferences that the election was fraught with violence and massive rigging. The drama took a twist last Friday when the two major opposition candidates were reported to have approached the court to seek permission for the inspection of election materials used during the polls. At least 6 states, Adamawa, Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, Delta, Edo, and Sokoto, had dragged the federal government before the Supreme Court over the conduct of the February 25th presidential and National Assembly's elections before withdrawing the case last Friday. But the National Secretary of the Labour Party, Umar Farouk, disclosed some SANs expressed their interest in joining the legal battle to prove Obi's case. While discussing that INEC had lost its independence through its alleged collusion with the ruling APC by giving victory to Tinubu, Farouk said the LP's hope was vested in the judiciary to do the needful. We have more than 20 SANs that are willing to participate and offer their services for the renewal and emergence of a new Nigeria. As I am talking to you, our lawyers are working on it. But this is not something we can discuss on air. All I can tell you is that we have started trekking to the court, he said. Asked if the leadership of the party and the candidate had been able to garner concrete evidence other than the alleged isolated incidents, the APC claimed the Labour Party was dangling to get public sympathy. Farouk said the court is not a polling box that they can smash and put in what they want. If the APC thinks they can preempt the court, let them do it. They had earlier preempted the election that they were going to win by hook or crook, and they had claimed they won. Let's wait and see. Unlike INEC, the judiciary is a different thing. We have seen how independent the commission is, but we need to also examine how independent the judiciary also is in a matter of this magnitude. Let's see the solace it can offer the masses. Let's see if the judiciary has also shattered the hope of Nigerians, just as INEC did. Farouk, however, couldn't give a definite date when the case would be filed. We are saying Obi is the winner from the record we have before us, but INEC did something else. They hurriedly carried out the plan of their paymaster. Therefore, we have every reason to claim victory if it is being denied. On the part of Atiku and the PDP, they have the right and data to claim that their mandate was stolen. The only arbiter now is the court. So many people can claim one thing. It is the judiciary that gives a verdict based on the evidence before it. Similarly, the PDP said it has commenced a preliminary study of the results of the presidential election to challenge Tinubu's victory. Speaking on the condition of anonymity, a staff member of the publicity division of the party said lawyers with strong affiliation to the PDP were studying the pages of the reports of the elections before them. Why the hurry? Like His Excellency Atiku Abubakar said yesterday, our lawyers are studying the results to advise accordingly, but definitely the party is challenging the election. We can't continue like this and expect to become a great nation. Some lawyers, whose name I don't want to reveal yet, actually approached the party offering pro bono services. They are hungry like every other well-meaning Nigerians. These eggheads are currently reviewing the entire process, particularly the flagrant breach of the Electoral Act. This is all I can say for now, the source said. Also, the chief spokesman of the Tinubu-Shettima Presidential Campaign Council, Festus Keyamo, said that the president-elect and his camp were not intimidated by the legal threat of the opposition. He also confirmed that the legal directorate of the PCC was putting together more than 12 sons to defend this principle in the alleged case of rigging and stolen mandates. Although he did not reveal the names of members of the legal team, the legal directorate of the Tinubu campaign organization is led by Babatunde Ogala, who could not be reached for comments. But Keyamo said the number of our advocates is around 12, but I can't confirm the exact figure at the moment. However, it doesn't matter the number of sons the Labour Party is parading. It is not a competition. I am a lawyer and I can tell you specifically that the numbers don't matter. It is all about the quality of evidence. But I can tell you that we have enough to nullify more of their votes than theirs to nullify ours. Meanwhile, the Young Progressive Party said it would make its position known as soon as it was done going through the reports on the elections. Well guys, that's the news for now. Kindly stay tuned to this channel for an update on the legal activities of the presidential elections. Kindly subscribe to the channel, hit that notification button, give us a thumbs up and leave your comments. Until next time, bye.